Okay, nisulod na si Charles Abasulo. Kinsa man ni siya? To number 10, to Charles. Lawan attempt. Hindi pumasok, rebounded by Maynard. Maynard. $15 to shoot. To Patrick, ikat na Maynard. Patrick challenged by Lawan. 10 seconds to shoot. Patay ang butiki, nakonipitos. Nakuha ni Mr. Lau. Rapira. Rapira ba ito? Shata. 2 points.
Imong manghod be ha, imong manghod be.
Okay, Maynard. Maynard for jump shot. No good. Rebounded by Alpeche. Grabe kay Alpeche ba yun? Dito na siya. To Alpeche. Mabuyan. Same ball position. Palihog ko, Lawan, jersey.
Bye-bye.
Substitution rep.
Uli na sila, manay lang dula.
Hindi ka NY mo sa tubay.
Okay.
NHA yun ta, daghan lang kay player.
To Abasolo. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Ako ni Maynard. To Acosta, 2 points. Now we. Okay, we have Abasolo. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Nakakuha ni Patrick. Patrick, nagtagabasahan. Naglisod siya. 2 points. Time out, rep. Time out ang team Ramil and Sons. Palihog sa din ko di balihan ang parehong jersey din. Ladra, balihan yung jersey or Acosta. Acosta, ikaw, si Acosta nakashot yung na rin ba? Okay. Our score. Score tayo, 17. Okay, Abasolo. Ikat kang Ladra. Abasolo back to Ladra. Ladra, wala kontra, gibalik na Abasolo. 15 seconds to shoot. Ladra for 3 points. Ladra. 4 minutes. Our score is 20-21. Isa na lang naman NHA. 15 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. No good na pa ni Sevilla. Sevilla pass to Abasolo. Abasolo is in the ball. Ihatag ka ang Lawan. 2 points by Lawan. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Atong score nasa Akbang. 21-22. Ay, kabalaka.
Pajud lang ka nag-inom pa gani.
Babae
Saoy.
din. Guwapa pa dyan. Dalaga. 15
Nag-i-smoke pa
seconds to
gani.
shoot.
Naka.
Okay, nakuha ni Basolo. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Labaw ng isa ang Ramil and Sons. Uy! Sobraan na yung kusog doon. Traveling violation. Sibilia. Okay, Acosta. $15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. $14 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Taluan by Lawan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 points. Talaga to best. Two minutes and 20 seconds. Ladra natin for 3. Wala. Natang Sevilla. Nakuha ni Mr. Go. Go na siya. Go back sa go. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Sigo, number 13. Rapirap din na. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 58 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Hindi, pumasok. Napa ni Ladra. Bola dito. Gigapos si Ladra. Jersey number 7, Mr. Lagrada, first team foul. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Okay, we have Abasolo. Pasa ng Sevilla. Bato Abasolo. Biata ng Ladra. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Nakuritan. Same ball position. Remaining shot clock 15 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 40 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Time for the shot clock.
Wala.
Belum ng 5 seconds na. Tulong pang bola. Hindi. Not counted to ba? 2 points he takes. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Okay. 15 second shot na. Okay, there's a foul, Acosta. Jersey number 8, Acosta. First foul, second team foul. 12 seconds to shoot. Sevilla wala. Ang panipitos to Maynard. Seconds to play. To Patrick. 2 points, Mr. Patrick. 50 seconds. Okay, Abasolo. Ihatag kang laban. 40 seconds. Sevilla. It's a foul counted. Foul jersey number 16, Mr. Pitos. First is another First is a foul, 13 foul. Rangers number 67, Sevilla standing on the free throw line. No good, nakuha ni Maynard, 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 2 points, 25 seconds. This is AI. 18 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 13 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. 2 seconds. Time is over for the